Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is green. Now we are using the color of red. And the next one is white. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is yellow. Kids, today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we are using the color of blue and now we are coloring the shape of star. Now we mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we mixing blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we mixing and using the color of blue and coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of green. Kids, now we are using the color of green. Now we mixing green color. Subscribe to our channel. The color of green. The next one is square. The shape of square. Now we are using the color of red. Kids, now we mixing and using the color of red. The color of red. Kids, the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Now we are using the color of white. Now we mixing and using the color of white. Kids, now we using white color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Now we're mixing black color. The shape of circle. The last one is trapezoid. Kids, now we coloring the shape of trapezoid and using the color of yellow. Now mixing and using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring the shape of trapezoid. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.